I don't know how TikTok feels about makeup collections, but I thought I'd try. Now, keep in mind, I am not a big enough YouTuber yet to have a big collection and no money to add very much to the collection, so this is what I have. On this side are all my various eyeshadow palettes with a couple back here, but on this side is all ColourPop. ColourPop stands alone. It is not counted with my regular eyeshadow palettes. And these are the little ones, by the way. They are on a little organizer. But ColourPop stands alone. Next, we have a few other products. There we go. We've got high-end and drugstore foundations, and keep in mind everything is classified that way. I always separate everything, and here are my primers that I'm not currently using. Maybe I should do a video about my filming room. Couple of setting sprays, my concealers, and a few various products. And here are the mascaras that I have left and all the powders that I have left. And then we have bronzers, high-end drugstore. And these are my K-Beauty, China Beauty, J Beauty. I've got 2 little containers of them right now, and that is it for Asia. Next, we have high-end blush, drugstore blush, high-end highlighters, drugstore highlighters, face palettes, and all of my face palettes are high-end. And then we have ColourPop Super Shocks. We have lip balms, and I've gone through a lot of lip balms lately because I had way too many that were too old. And this is the remainder of my lip products. I have a few in my filming room, but this is all that I have left. And even that is too much because I don't use a lot of lip products. And this drawer is just not overflow, but project pan, favorite products, really horrible products, that kind of thing. That's what's in there. And that is my collection. And it's a long video, and hopefully TikTok will take it.